Hello, in front of me I've got smartphone with Android 14. In this video I'll show you how to cast screens from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when both devices are connected, you can play any video you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect your devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.